AO said working on the A plus, Security Plus, CCNA, and a Red Hat certified system administrator. All right, that's great, man. I'd say CCNA and Security Plus are the most valuable of those. Well, it depends on where you're gonna go or what you're gonna do. GCIA, I'm gonna have my hands full. Out of all these AO, like which one are you focused on? Which certification out of A plus, Security Plus, CCNA, Red Hat certification, and GIAC? Which one are you kind of really focused on? Because you should probably focus on one at a time. In my opinion, with certifications, the only thing I would say is make sure it's pertaining to whatever role you're gonna do. Like if you're going to be a Red Hat administrator, the Red Hat one's probably going to be the most important one. As opposed to if you're going to go into SOC, if you're going to go into a security operations center, you're going to want to know incident handling inside and out. So the GIAC one will probably be the best one for you. One of the GIAC SAN certifications such as incident handling, GCIH, or the GCIA would be better for a SOC analyst role, as opposed to doing something like what I'm doing. Out of the ones you just mentioned, the Security Plus would be the best one. If you were a network engineer, the CCNA would. Whatever role you're focusing, whatever career path you're doing, is gonna be where you want to focus your time for your certification. Just put my 2 cents in there.